Hi everyone, my name is Haley. I'm trying to figure out this screencast thing, so I hope it works this time. I've done it a couple of times and it hasn't been working. Anyways, my name is Haley Har, and in this picture here is me and my husband Chandler. We have been married for just over a year and a half, so it's been a lot of fun to be married. We were living in Rexburg from the time that we were dating and engaged and married. And then just recently in July, we actually moved to St. George, Utah, which is where both of our families are now. And that's been a lot of fun to be around our families. I actually grew up in American Fork, Utah, but my family moved to St. George while I was serving a mission in Peru. And then when I got back from my mission, our next door neighbor actually set me up with Chandler a couple weeks after I got home, and we met and dated, went to BYU, Idaho together, and that's that story. So I am studying marriage and family. I'm hoping to graduate in July, so this is a course to just kind of help me to get there. Some interesting things about me is I love to ski. So this is my husband and I skiing. We actually went today. There's a resort nearby. It's called Bryan Head. And we missed the Rexburg snow, but we're happy that we at least get to go skiing together still. So we have a lot of fun doing that. And then also we love to rock climb. So in Rexburg there's a rock climbing gym. If you live there, you should go check it out because it's really great. But we would go rock climbing there a lot, a couple times a week. And we missed it when we moved to St. George, and so we decided that we were going to build a rock climbing wall in our living room. So this picture is us, well, my husband and my brother-in-law climbing on our little wall that we built for here in our apartment so that we can continue that. And the nice thing about St. George too is that we can climb outside, so there's a lot of that too. And then one other thing that I love to do is, you can see the bikes back here. We love to bike as well, and biking is really fun in St. George. There's a lot of fun mountain biking trails as well as road biking trails. So yeah, I love to do everything outside. We love to camp and to hike as well. And so I'm excited for this class, this psychology class. I think it'll be good. I took a psychology class in high school, and I really enjoyed learning about the brain and about why people act the way they do, and so I'm hoping that this class will further my knowledge about those things, and I hope that I can be able to help each of you learn, as well as learn from each of you. So thanks so much for listening, and good luck this semester.